Did you know your morning coffee costs more than gold? Engineers found a flaw so absurd, it defied all logic. They ignored the warning signs, like a cat ignoring gravity. Look closely, because this tiny gap changed everything forever, really. Management was, to put it mildly, absolutely terrified of costs. The secret was hiding in the math all along, folks. It is like trying to balance an angry cat surfing. One simple switch resealed the fate of the entire project. We still live with these billion-dollar mistakes every single day. Ready to see how your toaster almost caused a catastrophe? That tiny switch you flick daily cost billions to perfect. Engineers ignored the latch, thinking users would just know better. Turns out, people treat complex tools like angry, wild cats. Look closely at the metal fatigue from that single decision. One bad choice forced companies to spend millions on recalls. Software wasn't much better, resealing bugs into every single update. They finally realized the product was fighting its own user. This prototype piece shows exactly where the math went wrong. Investors were, to put it mildly, absolutely terrified by this. But the fix they found changed everything for your home. That tiny screw in your desk costs a fortune daily. Engineers often overlook the simplest friction points during early testing. Imagine balancing an angry cat on a slippery surfboard today. Look at these original 1950s blueprints showing the fatal flaw. Scaling up a design is like stacking buses on stamps. Management rushed the production, and the results were truly catastrophic. They finally realized the alloy was reacting with the air. This specific part caused billions in damages across the globe. We still make these mistakes every single hour, incredibly enough. Wait until you see how they fixed this in 1998. That tiny metal latch on your laptop costs companies millions. Engineers knew it would snap, but the budget demanded speed. Think of it like choosing between a tank and paper. Look closely at the stress points in this microscopic view. They gambled that you wouldn't notice until the warranty expired. Spoiler alert, the repair bills were, to put it mildly, terrifying. You're still using this flawed design every single morning today. Observe how the force distribution fails this specific plastic mold. But the real disaster happened when they tried to fix it. This tiny code error cost companies billions, yet it remains. Imagine stacking 10,000 brick walls on a single toothpick. Users adapted to the flaw, making it a permanent feature. Look closely at these schematics. The structural weakness is everywhere. Engineers were, to put it mildly, terrified of the outcome. The entire system was actually designed to fail this way. It is like balancing an angry cat on a surfboard. See this connection? It is the secret to their survival. You will never look at your smartphone the same way. Your daily coffee maker hides $1 billion design disaster. Engineers ignored the pressure seals, creating a ticking time bomb. Think of it like stacking school buses on a stamp. This microscopic crack caused the entire assembly to finally fail. They used plastic instead of steel, ruining every single unit. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates. You probably have one of these broken designs right now. The structural bond reseals poorly, leading to inevitable long-term decay. Wait until you see how they fix the next version. This frustrating keyboard layout actually began as a mechanical panic. Early typing machines jammed constantly when people typed too quickly. Inventor Christopher Scholes deliberately separated common pairs to slow typists. His temporary mechanical fix became the permanent global standard layout. Today, this inefficient layout costs billions in lost human productivity. Trying to retrain billions of modern users is practically impossible. So, your sleek smartphone still mimics a clunky Victorian machine. Even virtual reality interfaces still rely on this ancient design. But an even costlier digital blunder hides inside your pocket. That tiny design flaw cost companies billions in lost revenue. QWERTY wasn't for speed, it was to stop jamming keys. We kept the layout because everyone learned to type backwards. Standardized shipping containers were once just a wild, risky guess. It turned global logistics from a nightmare into pure clockwork. Engineers often forget that humans are delightfully, predictably messy creatures. The best inventions actually account for our weird, daily habits. These mistakes define our world, proving perfection is overrated anyway. The evidence points to a much deeper story.